We're going to El Nido. Let's go. Hey Kate, are you excited to go? Yes? Yes! If you want to go to El Nido, there are 3 airports where you can actually go to. The first one is the Puerto Princesa Airport, and from there you need to take a van or you can take a motorcycle, and it'll take you 5 hours to get to El Nido. The second option, and that's what we're taking today, is we're going to the San Vicente Airport, and it's the newest airport in the area. It just opened May of 2018. And the last one, which is by far the most convenient, is the Leo Airport, and it's in El Nido. We just arrived in San Vicente Airport and we're just waiting for a van. We booked this using Nido, and the package includes the van going to the resort, the island hopping tomorrow, as well as the lodging. See you. We just arrived in El Nido, and the van right here was like, yeah, it was like that. The place where we're staying is literally right beside a mountain. Okay, so we just finished our lunch. So we ordered a few dishes, some seafood, squid, pork, chicken, fish. So it was worth like 1,500 pesos for a meal of four to six people, and it's delicious. It's the seafood is really fresh. Oo nga.
Pamilya talaga yung
So it's a little bit chaotic to get the environmental ticket. As you can see, there are a lot of people waiting for their tickets because there are only 2 people inside actually giving these. So they can improve this a little bit.
Okay, so before we start po, I would like to introduce ourselves po. So sa mga hindi ko po nakasama kahapon, magpapakilala po kami. So my name is Jundar po, and I'm the one of your tour guide for today. So you are the 18 person, so I have 2 partners po. So si Kuya Ramel and si Kuya Alvin.
Hello po, good morning.
So our official boat captain po, Captain Melchor. Yes. But you can call him Captain Jack Sparrow, number 49. Okay, so ma'am sir, if you want to take some picture at the front po, huwag po kayo mahiyang magsabi sa amin.
Jundar, question lang. Bakit ganun yung rock formation niya?
Ganyan talaga niya sir eh. So, yan po yung mga bato na yan. Yan po yung tinatawag nilang limestone.
Limestone.
Yes po. So, base po sa lumalaki ng 1 to 10 cm every 100 years po. 1 to 10 cm po every 100 years.
Every 100 years. Wow. Sobrang tagal na pala nito.
Yes sir.
Wow.
Kaya imagine mo na lang sir, yung mga puno na yan. Hindi yan mahuhugay dyan po lang.
Thank you. Bri, sorry ah. Sakit pa ba? Sorry. Okay, okay po. Okay, palitan. We're kayaking right now. It's a bit stressful. It should be...
Stressful! Very stressful!
Yeah, it is. We'll just go back to our boat. They're preparing lunch on the boat. They're pretty good.
Lahat po yan.
So we're having a quick lunch here at Payong Payong Beach. The reason why it's called Payong Payong is because of the natural rock formations which look like umbrellas. So we're having lunch right now on the beach, as you can see. It's a boat prepared lunch, and it's pretty good. And it tastes really simple, but it's quite good. It's real good. Is the fish good?
Yeah.
Does it taste fresh?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you. And then it's a downpour.